Hey guys, Dr. Brown here. I want to talk about a topic that seems to come up a lot when we're discussing implants, and that is, do I have to have my implants replaced every 10 years? No, you do not. Let's talk about that. So, I don't really know how any surgeon could really reliably expect for someone to have a surgery every 10 years. So, the deal is this: if you don't have a problem with your implants, you don't need to have them exchanged. It's a myth. It's an old wives' tale. But one thing I will talk to you about is implants do have a rupture rate. They're man-made devices, and at some point they're going to fail, especially if you get them younger in life. In front of me, I have a typical silicone type of an implant, which has a silicone shell and it's filled with silicone. And this is a saline sizer, that's why the hose is attached to it, but this is a saline implant with a silicone shell. It's just filled with salt water. These implants are going to fail at some point. So the general rule that we tell people, or we tell patients, is 1% per year. So at 10 years, maybe you have a 10% risk of rupture, and so on and so forth. So the farther you get out, the weaker the shell becomes and the more prone it becomes to rupture. So the 10-year rule is not a real rule where you have to have them replaced every 10 years. So if you're happy with the way you look and the way you feel, don't feel like you need to rush in to have them changed every 10 years. So I hope that's something that really helps you, because it's a very common question. We'll see you next time for the next topic.